Hello everyone, happy Christmas to all of you. And today I have selected some exclusive bright festive sarees collections only for you. So let me display. This one is very beautiful and bright looks, fully party looks, and handloom soft silk material with zari weaving stripes, fine weaving zari stripes all over base. Very fancy and bright looks, shiny material, party looks. And this one, full base part, soft one, red base part is red with golden zari weaving fine stripes all over base. This one is pallu in beautiful pom-pom design and all over shiny material zari stripes. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also same material, handloom soft silk material with highlighted zari weaving fine stripes design all over base and very bright beautiful party looks. This one full base part cream shade with highlighted zari weaving fine stripes design all over base. Very soft one, easy drapable, smart and bright looks. This one is full base, very trendy party looks. This one pallu and pom-pom design all over same highlighted stripes base. This one is all over base but very shiny material based for your party wear, festive wear. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this for your gorgeous party looks. Very beautiful one, fully net material, net with heavy embroidery design work, very beautiful party looks, gorgeous also. This one net with fine embroidery design work all over base, very bright and beautiful color combinations, nice looks. This one is border portions, beautiful fine embroidery design work, net base with embroidery design all over same heavy embroidery design work, and base is net, very beautiful fancy party looks all over fine net material. And I will suggest this velvet with sequin design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, elegant color combinations, net material, fully party looks, fancy party looks with beautiful sequin with embroidery design work, very trendy and fashionable looks, off-white cream shade, net material with heavy embroidery design work. This one is beautiful sequin embroidery design work, very trendy and bright looks, beautiful work all over same design work, embroidery with sequin design work. And this one is border portion and all over same design work all over base, very bright and beautiful party looks. And I will suggest this velvet material with beautiful sequin design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive party looks. And this one also same material, net material with embroidery design work all over base, based for your party wear, festive wear, very smart and fancy looks. This one all over base fine embroidery design work. This portion is border portions, beautiful design work all over base part is net and all over fine embroidery design work, very bright and beautiful looks. And I will suggest this velvet material with sequin design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright party looks. Very beautiful fancy look, soft silk material and satin border all over floral printed one, very trendy and smart fashionable looks, lightweight comfortable. This one is all over base, soft silk material, satin border, shiny satin border all over bright printed one, very trendy and smart looks. This one is all over base and this one full base part and all over same printed one. And this one is pallu, highlighted stripes, and this one is full base part printed one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, Banarasi buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, chiffon base highlighted zari weaving pine stripes with silver border attached. And this one the full base part fancy looks, fully party looks. This one is beautiful color combination, chiffon base, and all over base part is fine zari weaving, self weaving stripes design work. And this one is border portion, silver shiny border attached, and this one is pallu end, and all over simply trendy and fashionable smart looks. This one is full part, and I will suggest this silk material, silver silk material contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable party looks. And this one, satin material, premium quality satin, very nice fresh looks. This one is full base part, all over contrast color dye base, premium quality satin material, dual shade. This one is all over base, same all over base part, satin material, premium quality, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this velvet material, heavy sequin design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks, party looks. And this one also, same material, premium quality satin material, and beautiful color combinations, dual shade, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is full base part, all over same pattern, plain satin material, dual shade, and soft one, fancy looks. This one is full base, very beautiful and smart fashionable looks. And this one, contrast blouse piece, fully velvet material, heavy sequin design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks, party looks fully, and dual shade base, premium quality satin material. And this one, very beautiful one, georgette base, pure georgette base, bright royal blue shade with beautiful border design attached, very trendy and fashionable looks, based for your party wear. This one is full base part, pure georgette base, and beautiful border attached. This one is border portions, fully stone silver border, and full base part is fresh royal blue shade, premium quality soft georgette. And this one full base, very beautiful looks. And this one is all over base, pallu end, same border attached. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy silver brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combinations, off-white base, pure organza with beautiful beads border design work, and all over hand printed one, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one, full base part, all over painted one, off-white base, and beautiful nice printed and pure organza base, transparent material with beautiful hand printed one, very trendy and fashionable smart looks. This one is full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length, and all over same printed one, nice color combinations. This one is full base. This one is pallu end, beautiful printed one, off white base, pallu end also beads design border, and this one is full border portions, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, pure organza base, transparent material, and fully hand printed one. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful Banarosi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, green shade, and very lightweight, comfortable with silk mark also, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, all over base part is plain, same color. This one is full base part, 3D cotton silk with silk mark, all over base part is plain, very soft one, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk. This one is 3D cotton silk, all over same plain. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and bright looks. And this one is a very beautiful trendy one, soft one, soft silk material, heavy zari border. This one, full base part, very soft one, smart looks. This one is all over base. This one is all over base, and this portion is bottom portions border area. Beautiful soft zari weaving border design, very soft one, soft silk material. And this one is full base part, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks, all over same set. And this one is pallu, and very beautiful and trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure tussar silk with hand weaving jamdani design work, golden zari border, very beautiful looks. This one full base part, pure tussar silk with hand weaving jamdani design work all over base, very beautiful one, dual color shade dye with traditional hand weaving jamdani design work. And this one is pallu and highlighted stripes pattern pallu, very nice and fresh, elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom tussar silk with beautiful traditional hand weaving jamdani design work all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant and outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks, elegant also. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka base, multi-color stripes with resham stripes, silk sequin design, very nice and fresh looks, fully designer piece all over base. This one is full base part, beautiful matka base, premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka base all over. And this portions stripes pattern, highlighted multi-color stripes and resham silk stripes with pocket weaving sequin design work, very elegant and exclusive weaving design. And this one resham pallu with beautiful sequin design work with hand weaving fine design, fancy looks, hand weaving fine design work, and pallu in beautiful multicolor stripes design with doll pattern, nice pom-pom design, very nice looks. And this one full base part, very trendy and fashionable designer looks, and all over premium quality matka base, sequin stripes, resham stripes with highlighted pocket weaving sequin design. And this one is all over base, very elegant and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, buta work, Banarasi weaving design, buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable elegant looks. In a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka all over, sivori printed one, contrast color border, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, nice color combinations all over, natural process sivori printed one. This one is contrast color border and premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka base, soft one. And this one is all over base, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is all over base, pure matka silk. And this one is resham pallu with beautiful traditional hand weaving jamdani design work, silver zari weaving jamdani design, very elegant and fresh looks. And pallu in beautiful pom-pom design, beads pom-pom design work. And this one is all over base, very soft one, smart and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also black base with beautiful sivori painted one, all over base, matka base, premium quality pure handloom matka base with beautiful sivori design work. This one is beautiful printed one, fully hand processed sivori painted, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks, matka base, pure handloom, and all over same printed one. And this one pallu in beautiful printed with beads design work. This one is pallu end, and this one beads design, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, fully pure silk with heavy Banarasi weaving design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. In a very beautiful one, pure resham silk base with silk mark also, with beautiful traditional hand weaving design work all over base, highlighted stripes design, fully premium quality gicha silk stripes design all over base. Base part is pure resham silk with gicha stripes design, and this one is border portions contrast color highlighted with stripes design, and this one pallu portions pure resham silk with beautiful and golden and silver zari weaving design work buta, very nice and fresh looks and fully hand weaving design work, and this one is all over base, very trendy and fashionable elegant looks, pure resham silk base with fine gicha silk stripes design, and this one running blouse piece fully gicha silk, and this one is full base but very elegant one with silk mark also, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, tissue muslin base shiny material all over fine golden sign, and this one border portions fully traditional hand weaving jamdani design work border, this one is border portions beautiful hand weaving jamdani design work border, this portion is pure muslin base, and this one middle portions tissue muslin base shiny material transparent and beautiful jamdani design work, very fashionable and elegant smart look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions beautiful hand weaving jamdani design work highlighted pallu and stripes design golden zari stripes, and this one full base part very lightweight comfortable smart looks, and I will suggest this silk material brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also nice color combinations, baby pink base pure matka silk golden zari border, and all over base part is zari weaving design work brocade pattern, very nice and fresh looks. This one full base part matka base pure handloom one zari border, and all over base part is fine zari weaving design work all over base, all over heavy zari work but soft one, easy drippable elegant look, baby pink base all over zari weaving work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted pallu end highlighted fine stripes pattern pallu end, and this one is full base part very fresh and elegant looks, and I will suggest this silk material brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, black base copper golden zari weaving Banarasi work matka base pure matka with highlighted zari weaving Banarasi work border, very elegant looks, copper golden zari weaving design work Banarasi border. This one is border portion, and all over buta design black with copper golden combinations looks very beautiful and elegant looks, and this one full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully brocade pattern with traditional Banarasi weaving highlighted work pallu. This one is pallu portions very soft one, and this one is border very trendy and elegant bright looks, and I will suggest this silk material soft silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. In a very beautiful one, Tasar silk pure handloom Tasar silk dual set contrast color border, and all over fine weaving design traditional hand weaving design work highlighted border, and this one is base part dual set Tasar silk, and this one is pallu portions fully fine weaving design heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portions beautiful hand weaving design work, and this one full base part very bright looks dual set Tasar silk, and this one is border portions fully traditional weaving design work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material buta work Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding trendy looks. For more collections please visit our website. Our website link is www.risefashions.com. all the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have a beautiful color combination saree, crepe silk material, all over weaving design work, threaded weaving design work all over base, same weaving work with beads design attached border, and this one pallu and all over same work and pallu and also beads design. Very trendy and fashionable looks, lightweight, beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.